Open page 101. Here, quadrilaterals. He wants you to draw the diagonals. We said before that the diagonals are the point, the line that join the two corners. So I will draw the diagonal here. And we call it M, as he said up. We will draw the diagonal and we will call it M. This is the square. So I will see the questions. AB parallel to which side? This side. AB parallel to what? To DC. BC equals to what? BC. I said in the square all the sides are equal to each other. BC equals to what? AD. AM, where is AM? AM is here. AM is perpendicular, made a 90 degree on what? AM is like this, so it make a 90 degree on BM. AM equals to what? I said that the square, all its diagonals are equal to each other, so AM equals to MC. BM equals to BM, it's the same. BM equals to MD. Next, I will draw the diagonals of the rectangle, and I will call this point of intersection, I will call it M. Angle A equal angle B equal angle C equal angle D. I said in the rectangle all its angles are right angles, and right angle equals to 90 degrees, so it will be 90. Diagonals are not in that rectangle, the diagonals are not perpendicular. They don't make 90 degrees. AB equals to what? AB, side AB equals to DC. AD equals to BC. The sides of the rectangle, the two opposite sides are equal to each other. This equal to this and this equal to this. The parallelogram, I will draw its diagonals, and I will call this point M. AB parallel to what? AB parallel to what? To DC. Each two opposite sides are parallel to each other. Then BC, this side, parallel to what? To AD. Angle A equals to angle A, this angle equals to what? To angle C. Each two opposite angles are equal. Angle B equals to angle what? Angle B, this angle will be equal to angle D. Here in the rhombus, I will draw its diagonals and call it M. AB parallel to what? AB parallel to DC. Each two opposite sides are parallel to each other. AB equals to A equals to DC. All its sides are equal. All the sides of the rhombus are equal. So if I write DC, if I write AD, if I write DC, all are equal. BC parallel to what? Where is BC? I will put my pencil. BC parallel to what? Parallel to AD. All the sides are are what are equal in length. They are all equal. Go to page 102. Here he wants you to put right or wrong, and if it's wrong, you will correct it. Measure of the angles of trapezium is 90. Is it right or wrong? No, it's wrong. It's not 90. So what is the polygon that it has 90 degrees? You have the square or the rectangle. Both of them are correct. The sides of rhombus are equal in length. Yes, they are equal. Diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular. Yes, they are perpendicular. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal and perpendicular. Half of it is correct. They are equal, but they are not perpendicular. They are not perpendicular, so it's wrong. A trapezium is a quadrilateral. Yes, it is. It has 4 sides. Complete. The rhombus is a what? Is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, and all its sides are equal in length. The polygon which has no diagonals is called trapezium. As we said before, the trapezium has only 2 parallel sides. The polygon that has 4 sides is called what? Is a quadrilateral. Each 2 opposite sides are parallel in which shape? Which quadrilateral? Each 2 opposite sides are parallel in the square, the rhombus, and the parallelogram. There are right angles in the square and rectangle. There are how many right angles? 4 right angles. In the 2 diagonals of the what and what bisect each other. You will write anything because except the trapezium. Any quadrilateral bisect each other. Its diagonal bisect each other. So I will write here square, rectangle. You can write rhombus or you can write parallelogram, except the trapezium. The trapezium, it has no diagonals. The 2 diagonals of the are perpendicular while the diagonals of the are not. The 2 diagonals of the square or the rhombus, both of them is correct. The square and the rhombus, their 2 diagonals are perpendicular, while the diagonals of the rectangle or parallelogram are not perpendicular. A quadrilateral with 4 equal sides and angles is called the quadrilateral that has 4 equal sides and angles is called square. A quadrilateral with 4 sides having the same length is called square or the rhombus. I said before that they look like each other. So if you write square or rhombus, both are correct. A quadrilateral with 4 right angles and 2 equal opposite sides is called rectangle. It's not the square, because the square, it has 4 equal sides. The 4 sides of the square are equal. They are equal in length. Junior 4, please study page 199 very well. You have to study it very, very, very well. You have to study it like your names, please. Thank you.